Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the name on your iPhone. So like when people use like your personal hotspot, that'll be the name that people will be able to see, like what they detect, like what their device detects it as. Okay, so to do that, you're going to open settings, then you are going to open general, then you are going to open about. Here you're just going to go to name and you are just going to type in the name you want. I'm just going to choose Kiana's iPhone. So then when people airdrop or stuff like that, it'll view it as Kiana's iPhone. So that is basically it, super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!